Lesson: Global Perspectives on AI Policy and Regulation. The global landscape of artificial intelligence policy and regulation presents a complex and diverse picture, shaped by varying national priorities, ethical considerations, and economic imperatives. Understanding the intricacies of AI policy and regulation across different regions is essential for professionals seeking to navigate and implement AI technologies responsibly and effectively. This lesson offers actionable insights, practical tools, and frameworks to address real-world challenges in AI policy, helping professionals enhance their proficiency in this critical area. AI policy and regulation are influenced by several factors, including ethical considerations, economic competitiveness, national security, and public trust. Different countries prioritize these factors differently, leading to a variety of approaches to AI regulation. For example, the European Union has taken a more precautionary approach, emphasizing ethical guidelines and the protection of fundamental rights. The EU's proposed AI Act aims to regulate AI systems based on their risk levels, with stricter requirements for high-risk applications. This approach reflects the EU's commitment to safeguarding individual rights and promoting trust in AI technologies. In contrast, the United States has adopted a more innovation-friendly stance, with a focus on fostering technological advancement and economic growth. The U.S. approach to AI regulation is characterized by a decentralized framework where individual states and federal agencies develop their own guidelines. This allows for flexibility and adaptability, but also creates a patchwork of regulations that can be challenging to navigate for businesses operating across state lines. The U.S. National Institute of Standards and Technology has developed a voluntary framework for AI risk management, offering organizations a structured approach to assessing and mitigating AI risks. China represents another distinct approach to AI regulation, with a focus on leveraging AI for economic development and social governance. The Chinese government has implemented comprehensive AI strategies that emphasize data sharing, infrastructure development, and state-led innovation. China's regulatory framework often includes strict data control measures, reflecting the government's emphasis on national security and social stability. This approach has led to rapid advancements in AI capabilities, but also raises concerns about privacy and human rights. For professionals working in the field of AI, understanding these diverse regulatory landscapes is crucial. One practical tool for navigating global AI regulation is the use of compliance checklists tailored to specific regions. These checklists can help organizations ensure that their AI systems meet local legal and ethical standards. For example, a compliance checklist for the EU might include items related to data protection, algorithmic transparency, and human oversight, while a checklist for the US might focus on sector-specific guidelines and voluntary best practices. Another valuable framework is the AI Ethics Impact Assessment, which provides a structured approach to evaluating the ethical implications of AI systems. The AI involves identifying potential ethical risks, assessing their impact, and developing mitigation strategies. This framework can be particularly useful for organizations operating in regions with stringent ethical guidelines, such as the EU. By integrating ethical considerations into the development and deployment of AI systems, organizations can build trust with stakeholders and avoid potential regulatory pitfalls. Case studies offer valuable insights into the effectiveness of different AI regulatory approaches. For instance, the General Data Protection Regulation in the EU has had a significant impact on AI development, particularly in areas involving personal data. Companies operating within the EU must ensure that their AI systems comply with GDPR requirements, such as data minimization and the right to explanation. This has led to increased transparency and accountability in AI systems, but also poses challenges for businesses in terms of compliance costs and operational complexity. In the U.S., the AI Bill of Rights, proposed by the White House Office of Science and Technology Policy, aims to establish principles for the design and deployment of AI systems. These principles include ensuring that AI systems are safe and effective, protecting individuals from algorithmic discrimination, and promoting transparency and accountability. While the AI Bill of Rights is not legally binding, It serves as a guideline for organizations seeking to align their AI practices with ethical standards and public expectations. China's New Generation Artificial Intelligence Development Plan highlights the country's ambition to become a global leader in AI by 2030. This plan outlines strategic goals and key tasks for AI development, including the integration of AI into various industries and the establishment of an AI ethical code. China's approach demonstrates the potential for state-led initiatives to drive AI innovation, but also underscores the importance of balancing technological advancement with ethical considerations. To address the challenges posed by divergent AI regulatory frameworks, professionals can leverage international collaborations and standards. Organizations such as the Global Partnership on AI and the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development provide platforms for cross-border cooperation and the development of harmonized AI principles. By participating in these initiatives, professionals can stay informed about global trends and contribute to the development of international standards that promote responsible AI use. Statistics highlight the growing importance of AI regulation in shaping the future of technology. According to a report by PwC, the global AI market is expected to contribute $15.7 trillion to the global economy by 2030, with significant implications for employment, productivity, and innovation. As AI technologies become increasingly integrated into various sectors, the demand for robust regulatory frameworks will continue to grow. Professionals equipped with the knowledge and tools to navigate these frameworks will be well positioned to lead in the field of AI. In conclusion, understanding global perspectives on AI policy and regulation is essential for professionals seeking to implement AI technologies responsibly and effectively. By leveraging practical tools such as compliance checklists, ethical impact assessments, and international collaborations, professionals can navigate the complex regulatory landscape and address real-world challenges. As AI continues to transform industries and societies, the ability to align AI practices with ethical standards and regulatory requirements will be a key determinant of success.